friends, welcome back to Mimi Home Style. I'm so excited to share my 2025 planner and journal lineup with you today. This year, I've chosen tools to help me stay organized, relaxed, and intentional. And whether you're looking to plan your life, practice gratitude, or capture your favorite moments, I've got something for everyone. So grab a cozy drink and let's dive in. First up is my trusty Happy Planner. It's my go-to for organizing my life. What I love most is how customizable this book is. The spiral-bound design lets me move pages around or add new ones. I get most of my extras right on Amazon. They have them at Walmart, or you can go to the Happy Planner site and purchase them there. I even ordered menu planning pages so I can have everything that I need in one place. So here's what I've done to set it up for 2025. Each month has its own tab, making it easy to flip through the year. There's a full calendar spread for big picture planning. There's weekly layouts with checkboxes, lines, and dot grids for jotting down tasks, events, or even meal plans. A notes section is for brain dumps, a priorities list, and an important grid for top goals. And of course, stickers. They give them to you in these happy planners, and I use them to make this planner functional and fun. I even found packs of their stickers at the Dollar Tree in their plus section during the summer. Make sure when you're purchasing that you get the spiral bound planner. That's so you can take the pages out and change them. Next is my 5-minute journal, a game changer for mindfulness. It's simple, quick, and so relaxing. And here's how it works. In the morning, you fill out 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that would make today great, and a daily affirmation. I use my affirmation cards, and these are in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I'll leave the link in my description below. At night, you reflect on 3 highlights of the day and what you learned. It only takes a few minutes, but it's such a powerful way to stay grounded and grateful. Plus, the journal includes a helpful guide at the beginning to get you started. It explains everything you need to know about what to journal in this way. And this book lasts about 6 months, and then you can continue on by buying another or grab your own blank notebook and do the same prompts. My third journal is a junk journal. This one is all about creativity and memory keeping. It's less writing and more collecting. Now, here's what you'll need to start your own junk journal. A blank journal or notebook, and I'll have the one that I bought linked below. I love how old and vintage it looks with the key and the yellow paper inside. Then you'll also need some glue or double-sided tape. You'll need photos, ticket stubs, postcards, or receipts from activities that you've done. Washi tape, stickers, or decorative paper for embellishment is what you can use, and you can get these at the Dollar Tree too. I have a favorite pen or marker for jotting down small notes or captions, but you won't be doing a ton of this, just small captions. I print my photos on my printer, and I create them in Canva to look like little mini Polaroids. And I use mine to capture the fun things we do throughout the year. It's like a scrapbook meets a journal. So it's really personal and fun and easy, and I love the collecting that I do along the way on my journeys. So if you want an easy way to keep up a journal and be creative, then I suggest doing this. The last journal that I'm using this year is for all my fellow book lovers, the Bibliophiles Journal by Jane Mount. This journal makes it easy to track all the books that I'm going to be reading in 2025. Each entry includes the date you started and finished the book, a space for the title, author, and you can give it a star rating. Sections for plot notes, character notes, favorite quotes, and even other books by the same author that you want to check out are added on the page. It also has pages for books to check out and I keep a list here for when I run out to a bookstore or I purchase online. It also has a list and space for ideas and inspirations at the back, and it's perfect for keeping all my reading memories in one place. It also gives you book recommendations if you want to try them. I love this when people ask me what they should read next, and this makes a great gift. So as you can see, these journals and planners are not just beautiful, but also super practical. They've finally made it easy for me to stick with journaling, something I've struggled with for years. And I've tried so many different methods in the past and nothing ever quite worked. But these, they just click. The Happy Planner keeps me organized with all the customization options. The 5-minute journal helps me focus on gratitude and personal growth. The junk journal is perfect for capturing memories without pressure. And my bibliophile journal adds a fun, creative way to keep track of my reading. I hope seeing these inspires you to try one, or maybe even all of them. Whether you're into organization, mindfulness, creativity, or books, there's something here for everyone. So let's make 2025 the year that we finally stay consistent with journaling and actually enjoy it. So that's how I'm organizing and enjoying 2025 with my planners and journals. Whether you're into planning, gratitude, creativity, or reading, there's something I'm sure that's here to inspire you. Let me know in the comments which one you'd love to try, or if you have a favorite journal or planner that I should check out. Also, if you want to simplify everything, head to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has notebooks you can use to document your books, planners you can put in your purse, and even large calendars to hang in your office to keep track of what you need to do throughout the year. Just add Dollar Tree stickers. That's where I found all of mine, believe it or not. And they even have washi tape and other fun embellishments that you can use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun and budget-friendly ideas to celebrate life's moments throughout 2025. I'm going to see you next time when we'll be heading into my family room, and I'll be taking down my holiday decor and giving you some tips and hacks that might help you as you store some of your things. And keep watching this month as I give you more organization ideas and some of my favorite kitchen gadgets to get you started into the new year. Happy New Year, everyone. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.